Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use airplane mode glitch on Monopoly Go. So many of you might be playing this game and want to try different tricks and methods. So basically Monopoly Go is a game of luck, no doubt, but many players get lucky with dice rolls in the game. As many players are well aware of how to use this glitch and dice the rolls, but some of you might not know. So today I'll show you how you can do that easily. So this is a step-by-step guide, so watch the video till the end, and here is the complete step-by-step guide on how to do this trick. First, exit the Monopoly Go app. Just exit the app, activate airplane mode. And once you activate airplane mode, launch Monopoly Go again. Just launch the game again. Wait for the game to load until it hits 20% of the loading. Make sure that you have enabled the airplane mode before turning the game on. And once it reaches it hits 20% of the loading, disable airplane mode and 20% of loading screen. Just make sure to disable the airplane mode, and after that, if airplane mode glitches works, the loading screen will continue from the same place. If not, repeat the process. So as it was loaded 20% before, and if the airplane mode is working, then it will keep loading and start continue from the same place. And after that, watch the loading screen quickly reach 100%. If the trick is successful, you will find yourself at the same place where you rolled the dice before. So in that way, you will get a second chance to roll the dice and get some different results. And if players don't get desired results even after using this glitch, they can repeat it again and again until they get outcome what they want. So this is basically a step-by-step and complete guide of how you can use the glitch. Keep doing it until you get what you want. So that is a simple process.